Welcome to the Akumal and Tulum Travel Series. In this four-part series, we'll explore the beauty of Bahia Principe Akumal, step into the history of the Mayan ruins, dive into refreshing cenotes, discover street art along the Tulum beach zone, and taste local flavors in the vibrant heart of downtown Tulum. This is Sojourner's Lens, where each step leads to the greatest destination. Our adventure begins in Vancouver, boarding an early morning flight bound to Toronto. After a smooth 4-hour flight, we touched down Toronto for a quick layover. Connecting through Toronto, this time heading straight to the tropics, the excitement really built as we crossed the Gulf of Mexico. And a few hours later, finally landing in sunny Cancun, Mexico. And after clearing customs, we boarded our transfer bus for the 2-hour ride south along the Riviera Maya to Bahia Principe in Akumal. Our home for the week is Bahia Principe Luxury Akumal, but it's just one part of the Riviera Maya complex. There's Grand Tulum on the beach, Coba in the jungle, Can for adults-only escapes, and at the center, La Hacienda Doña Isabel, the hub for nightlife, music, and shops. After check-in, we made our way to the building suites, modern facades tucked between palm trees and winding pathways. Walking down the hallway, anticipation built as we opened the door to our home for the week. The bathroom impressed right away, featuring a separate shower, jacuzzi tub, 2 sinks and with mirrors, and even a private urinal. A spacious closet held all the essentials: safety deposit box, hangers, and an iron with board. The main room offered a king-size bed, flat-screen TV, and a coffee station stocked with tea and local coffee. A cozy living area with sofa and table made the space feel like more than just a hotel room. And the highlight, a private balcony overlooking the gardens, perfect for morning coffee or evening sunsets. With a resort complex this big, the golf trams are the easiest way to get around. They connect all 4 resorts, Akumal, Coba, Grand Tulum, and Can, plus the central La Hacienda. Even within one resort, they'll take you from the lobby to the beach, restaurants or pools. Convenient, quick, and part of the Bahia Principe experience. Morning began at Yumm Restaurante Buffet, where the choices felt endless. Tropical fruit like papaya and pineapple, fresh pastries, a hot station with eggs and pancakes, plus juices and coffee to kickstart the day. After breakfast, it was time to hit the beach. Powdery white sand, calm Caribbean waters, and plenty of lounge chairs shaded by umbrellas. Perfect for unwinding under the sun. And for those looking for a little more energy, the main pool offered daily activities, everything from aqua exercise to games and music, keeping the atmosphere lively throughout the day. One of the best perks here is access to other Bahia Principe resorts. We took the tram to Can, an adults-only retreat tucked in the jungle, and stopped for lunch at Yalku Buffet. With fresh fruit, salads, Mexican dishes, and international favorites, it was the perfect way to sample more of what the complex has to offer.
The gray yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone.
Back at Akumal, we stopped by the infinity pool just as the sun was setting. The still water reflected the shades of orange and pink, making it the perfect place to pause and unwind.
I would rather be.
For dinner, we headed back to Yumm buffet. With everything from grilled meats and pastas to fresh salads and tropical desserts, the choices felt endless. To end the night, we visited La Hacienda Doña Isabel. By day and night, it's the central hub of the complex, home to local shops and souvenirs. Usually a lively party spot, but on this evening it was calm. A quiet stroll to close our first full day.
Feels like I can do anything. Just give me a mountain to climb. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows.
Our first day in Akumal was all about settling in, discovering the resort, enjoying the food, and soaking up the Caribbean sunset. On the next episode, we'll step beyond the resort to explore ancient ruins, vibrant art, and some of Tulum's most iconic sites. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And remember, every step leads to the greatest destination.